Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my Aronia berry or chokeberry. Now the variety of chokeberry or Aronia berry that I have is called Viking. It's self-fertile. It is stated that it's one of the best tasting of the chokeberries. The reason why these berries are called chokeberries is because they're very astringent. This does taste pretty good, but there is a great amount of astringency in these berries. The issues that I have with this plant are very minimal. Actually, I don't have any issue at all. I would say one of the main issues, if you can call it an issue, is that it is slow growing. I'd rather have it grow a little bit faster. I tried pruning it to promote growth, and that didn't work. I tried foliar feeding with seaweed and fish emulsion like I do many of my other plants in the garden. That works really well for the other plants, but when I do it for the Aronia berry, it doesn't work as well. The things that I like about this plant is it is the easiest berry plant I grow. And I guess Lulu likes it too. Lulu, what are you doing? Have you been licking these berries? No wonder some of them look shinier than others. I love the flowers as well, very beautiful. And the foliage in the fall is amazing. It gets really bright colored and everything. It's a great berry plant if you want to grow one. The growth habit of this plant, like I've mentioned, it's quite slow. Shade, part shade, full sun, it doesn't really bother it. She's licking the end of the hose. Yet there's a water bowl full of water. I don't know. Now how I grow this plant, I don't use acidic additives or lime or ammonia sulfate, anything like that. Just wood chips, not that thick of wood chips. I think I put about 3 inches underneath this bush. It's planted next to the asparagus, so I don't want to layer too much wood chips or the spears may come out a little deformed if I put a foot deep of wood chips around this berry plant. The interesting attributes about this plant is that it is stated, or the research that I've done online, that it has the most antioxidant levels of any known plant on the planet. I may be wrong, or it probably has been updated recently, but it has surpassed the elderberry. So elderberry was thought of having the most antioxidants. Now the Aronia berry has the most antioxidants. So if I'm wrong on that, forgive me, but please do your own research. And now for the taste. Let's see how they taste. Extremely astringent. My mouth is completely dry. But it does taste good. It tastes like a blueberry mixed with a very unripe banana. Happy gardening, everyone.